I'm Mitch. You may remember me from such shows as Racing the Racer Sock. This is part 2. Yeah. There's Matt running the camera. Yeah. Scary stuff. Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Hi, I'm Racy, the racist black sock. And I'm Crackerjack. You know what? I don't like you, Crackerjack. Or no? Let's go. Hey, guess what? What? What did the white guy say to the black guy? Oh. You smell. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Hey, calm down, calm down. Just a joke. Just a joke. I'll be right back. What are you doing? Anyways. Yeah, let's wait for him to get back. Woo! Yeah. I'll kill you. 10, 10.